Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. Today we're making a classic summer treat, keto approved peach cobbler. And we'll be making this again later on in the week with a newer update. So for this particular recipe, you'll need a half a cup of almond flour, a fourth of a cup of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered swerve. Give it all a quick mix, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 egg at room temperature, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Give everything a good mix. 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum. Give it a good mix in the oven preheated at 350 and crumble the top over the peaches. And then 3 tablespoons of butter on the top of the cobbler. Bake at 350 at approximately 15 minutes. Let it cool and enjoy. And this came out really good. Now the only thing I forgot to do on this one was film out the final product. But it came out really good. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have an amazing weekend. And I'm going to film one out later on this week as both the short and both the regular video as a remake to this one. But I just wanted to give you an idea. Now you can use either fresh or frozen peaches. It don't matter. When we're in season, peaches are really great to have. You know, this year it looks really good for our peaches for this coming year in the Northeast. So if you can't get the fresh, you can frozen, and again, canned peaches are great. If you're doing keto, just be careful with the sugar added in the canned goods, because you want to make sure that it's appropriate to have. Now, when I did this, the crumbs, it should be kind of crumbly like that when you see that in the example in the video. And then I used the rectangular dish, and I sprayed a little bit of it with cooking spray. And then I popped that in the oven, and then it came out really good. And you know, I make this over the course of the summer, and I got some other ones that I made, like 90-second peaches in a mug and that sort of thing. And you can use the same base recipe crust for just about any fruit of your choice. But anyways, have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one.